Do you know that you are what you eat? Do you know that your capacity and your ability comes from what you eat? So in today's video, I am going to share with you the 10 fruits every man should eat to last long and to be healthy. These 10 fruits are very powerful. They can help to build up your immune system. They can help to make your immune system balance. And some of all these fruits can help to wash away bad bloods and bad diseases in your body. These fruits are very important. They are very vital, and I highly recommend this fruit to all men. The women can take it as well, but this fruit is good for men, especially men who want to last long in life and men who want to be able to do their job perfectly should take these fruits. So these fruits are: number one is watermelon. Watermelon is a very nice fruit that every man needs to take it. Watermelon is good because it helps to wash away toxic water or toxic fluids in the body, especially in the bloodstream. Watermelon is very important in the sense that the sugar in watermelon help to nourish the skin and to build up our immune system. Watermelon is very important, so I recommend every man to take it at least twice or 3 times a week to help boost up your immune system so that your system will balance. Number two is orange. Everybody knows orange. It contains citric acid. That acid helps to fight some diseases in our body. Maybe you are having a stomach pain or stomach headache, or maybe you want your stomach, what is in your stomach, to just wash out or to suppress some particles in your stomach. Orange can help to suppress it, and orange is very important in the sense that it can help to suppress and clear all diseases in your body system. So orange is very good. I recommend orange for everyone, especially the men. Number three is avocado pear. Avocado pear is a very nice fruit. It can help you to build up your immune system and last long. Avocado pear help to cool down your body blood pressure, or it can help to normalize your body temperature. Avocado pear is a very nice fruit. It is found everywhere in the world. Avocado pear is a very nice fruit. So I will recommend each and every one of us to take it so that you will build your immune system with it. So number three fruits for a man to take is cucumber. Cucumber is another vital fruit that every man needs to take. Any man who wants to wash away some toxic or some bad water in his body should take watermelon, because watermelon help to wash away some bad bloods and bad water fluid in the body. And watermelon also help in curing some diseases in the body. Watermelon is very important and it is very essential. I recommend every man to take this watermelon. Number four is pineapple. Pineapple is my best and favorite fruit. I know I am not the only one that like pineapple because of its taste and the aroma, very attractive. Pineapple is very important and is good to replace wounded tissues in the body. Maybe you have a sore in your body. Pineapple can help to make that sore to heal as soon or as fast as possible. Pineapple help to replace wounded tissues in the body. It also helps to build up our immune system. Pineapple is found everywhere in the world. I recommend everyone to take pineapple. You can consume it, you can take it anyhow, any day, any moment you want it. It is good and it is highly recommended for anyone who want to heal or who want to gain his strength as fast as possible. Take pineapple. It is good and it is good for good. So another fruit that is important or I would recommend for every man is granite, and that is number 6 fruit that you need to take. Or is it number 5? Number 5 that you need to take so that it will help to build up your immune system. Granite is very important and it contains cholesterol that help to build up our immune system. Pineapple is very important. I would recommend every man to take pineapple so that you will build up your immune system and it will make you and help you to last long. It will help you to energize you. Granite is very powerful and I believe it is found everywhere. So I recommend every man to take it so that it will build up your immune system as fast as possible. Another fruit is garden egg. Garden egg. It is greenish, although some are white, some are green. So anyone is highly recommended, and you can take granite with the garden egg together. It is very sweet. So in Africa here, we use granite and garden egg together. If you chew them, if you take them together, it is very interesting and sweet. So that is the 2 combination. But garden egg is very nice. I recommend everyone to take it. Consume it the way you want. It is very medicinal and it helps to cure stomach pain. It is also help to cool down body temperature. So number 6 fruits everyone need to take is guava. Guava is very nice. If you take guava, it can help to replace wounded tissues in your body. Guava is very important because it helps to normalize your body pressure. Guava is also important because it helps to calm down your body temperature. So take guava. It is sugary, it has sugar, although the sugar taste is good and the sugar that it can apply or introduce in your body is also good because it is a natural sugar. So consume guava as much as you can. It is very important. So the 7th fruit for everyone is bitter kola. Bitter kola is very important. It is also medicinal. It can be found everywhere in the world. I believe some people, even if you can't see it in Europe or Asia, I believe that some Nigerians do export it to all these countries. So bitter kola is everywhere. Bitter kola is medicinal. It can help to cure some diseases in the body. It also helps to build up our immune system. It helps to normalize our body temperature and it helps to eradicate stomach pain and stomach problems. Bitter kola is powerful, so I recommend everyone to take bitter kola. So do take bitter kola. It is very, very nice. So number 8 fruit for every man is African pear. African pear is good. Take African pear as fast as you can. You can take it raw. You can take it by putting it in hot water. It can melt. You can take it as well. It's good for the body. It is medicinal. It also helps to cure stomach pain and it normalizes our body temperature. It contains oil. That oil help to nourish our skin. So take African pear. It's very nice and very good. So the 9 fruit everyone should take is coconut. Coconut, very sweet and very interesting. Coconut is a very nice fruit for every man. It is very important that every man should take coconut because it helps to boost up our immune system. It also helps to nourish sperm in the sperm cell. Coconut is very good because the oil from it or the oil you extract from coconut can prevent skin to contact diseases. Coconut is very important, so I would recommend every man to take coconut. If you want to last long in everything you are doing, do take coconut. It will help. Yes, there are some fruits that you add into the coconut. It will help to boost up your sperm cell or your sperm count. So coconut is very good. So the final one is pawpaw. Pawpaw is a good fruit with a very nice taste. It's sweet like sugar, yellow like a Fanta. So I would recommend everyone to take pawpaw. Pawpaw is good. Take it and consume it. It helps to nourish our skin. So that's it for today. Please, if you like my video, like it, share it, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video. See you in the next video.